Good morning, dears. Last day we have completed exercise 1.1. Hope you understood well and you have done it also. Now look at question number 1 from exercise 1.2. Here once again you have given the numerals and you have to write the number names. Question number 1a. You can see you have given 23,72,801. So you write the number and then you write the number name 23 lakh 72,000 801. Is it? Then you can see the next one, maybe number D. It is 40,81,315. So we'll write 40 lakhs 81,000 315. Now question number 2, you have given the number name and you have to write the numbers in numeral, is it? You see 2b, it is given 11 lakh 6,000 2. So how to write it? 11 lakh 6,000 2. If you have confusion in writing, we can use the place value chart. That is 1 times 100 you write on the top and then you write the number. Okay. Then next one you see E, it is given 61,25,816. 61 lakh 25,000 816. So we will write it 61 lakh 25,816. In this way we write the number name. Is it? Now in question number 3, you have to see the pattern and you have to feel the next numbers. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Now just let us see. A, they have given 11 lakh 28,632, 11 lakh 28,633, 11 lakh 28,634. Then what will be the next? The next and the next. This will be 11 lakh 28,635, 11 lakh 28,636, 11 lakh 28,637, 11 lakh 28,638, and 11 lakh 28,639. Is it? In this way we'll be solving this pattern, we'll be writing these patterns. Now you can see question number C. For question number 3C, you have given 32,56,231, 32,56,234, 32,56,237. Now what do we see? It is increasing by 3 every step. 31, 34, 37. So next will be 32,56,240, 32,56,243, 32,56,246, 32,56,249, and 32,56,252. In this way, we'll feel the patterns they have asked you. Now, in question number 4, they have made a column and they have written numbers in the first column, and the second column you have to fill the place and the period of this underlined digit. About period, you know, already we have discussed. That is 1, tens and 100 belongs to one's period. 1000, 10,000 belongs to 1000 period. Lakh, 10 lakh belongs to lakh period. Already we have discussed about it, is it? So see number 4, you have to make the columns. First column you will be writing numerals. Second column place. And the third column period. Now number A you have given 42,85,632 and 8 is underlined. So 8 is at 10,000 place, is it? So we'll write 10,000. Now which period it is? It is 1000 period. Here also if it is not accumulating, 10,000. Then 1000 period. Then the next one, you can see number E, 22,31,217. 1 is underlined. So where it is? It is at tens place. Which period? One's period. So this we have to fill in this way. Okay. So question number 4. Also you have to write it in the copy while making this column. If there is any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. So you finish up to question number 4. Next day we'll be solving next exercise. If any problem you come across with while solving the sums, you are most welcome to ask. For today you leave it up to here, dear. Thank you.